In this video, we are going to use the law of cosines to find missing side lengths in an acute triangle. The law of cosines here is, this is our formula for law of cosines. Again, this would be given to you on any piece of evaluation. What we have to keep in mind is that side A, if we're looking for side A, we need to put the angle measure that matches with side A or that is across from side A here. So this would be angle A. So let's just take an example. So this example here is labeled PQR. So in a piece evaluation, you would see the formula written A, B, and C in it. So in this one, it's P, Q, and R. So we're finding the length of P. So P is the side length that's straight across from angle P. So P is what we're trying to find. So I'm going to write P squared right here. The angle that we're given is 38 degrees, which is straight across from P. So that's the cosine in our formula of 38 degrees for our law of cosine. So remember, the side length and the angle is across from it has to match up in our formula. So then the other two side lengths here, this would be side length R, and this would be side length Q. Those in for B and C. So it doesn't matter which one you put first. So I have 27 squared plus 21 squared minus 2 times 27 times 21, and that's multiplied by my cosine of 38 degrees, which I already put in there. So let's solve for P. P squared is equal to 27 squared, so I'm going to find 27 squared, and that's 729, plus 21 squared is 441, minus, first off, I'm going to go 2 times 27 times 21. And so I'm just multiplying this part first. 2 times 27 times 21. And that gives me 11. Let's change that back. That gives me 1,134 times. Now I'm going to find a decimal approximation for the cosine of 38. So the cosine of 38 on your calculator, you just look for the cos button, COS, so put in cos 38 equals 0.7880. So let's finish our calculation. P squared. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two together. So 729 plus 441, that gives me 1,170. Subtract 1,134. So now I'm going to actually multiply these two numbers. So when I multiply those two numbers, I get 893.592. So subtracting those two numbers, I get P squared is equal to 276.408, and P then is equal to the square root of 276.408. And when you find the square root of that number, you should get P is equal to 16.6. So the missing value P is 16.6 centimeters.